I did my brows off camera. Now I am priming my lids to make it ready for my eyeshadows. Using my Nykaa pencil, I will create a base. No need to be precise. Blending it out with a brush. Please do not take it higher to the crease. Taking this black shade from Morphe 35B palette, I will place it on the black base. Now taking that magenta pink shade, I will blend out the black shade. With the help of this lighter pink shade, I will start blending that magenta shade. Please take your extra time while playing with darker shade because blending is the key and you have to blend all the colors very well to look it seamless. Now taking my Morphe M506 brush, I will blend the two shades to diffuse any harsh edges. Now mixing that magenta pink and black shade, I will deepen my crease area. Let me do my other eyes and I'll be right back. Taking this duochrome shade from my Milani palette and I will use it as a topper. This has a nice shift from blue to purple to pink, cleaning out any kind of fallout and cleaning the edges. Now I will start my face makeup. For that I'm taking my NYX Honey Dew Me Up primer. This smells incredible and it has got tiny reflects of gold which makes the skin dewy and glossy. Whatever is left I will bring it to my neck area. Spraying my face with e.l.f. Dewy Mist to add up to the glow. Taking L.A.girl Pro Concealer in shade Fawn, I will color correct the darkness on my face wherever required. And I will be blending it out with a concealer brush. And this is how my face looks after color correction. Time for the foundation, for which I am using my Loreal 24 hours fresh wear foundation. The review and 7 hours of wear test is already up on my channel. Kindly check the I button for more details. Blending it out with my PAC flat top kabuki brush. And this is how my face looks after the foundation application. Time to highlight the highest points of my face. For that I'm using my Flower Beauty concealer in the shade light medium. I will also use my L.A.girl Pro concealer in the shade Beautiful Bronze to contour my face. This will help me to achieve that chisel and structured look. Blending it out with the same flat top kabuki brush. Now I'm blending out the concealer under my eyes. And now I am blending the contoured areas with my brush. Contouring my nose as well. And then I will blend it out with a concealer brush. I will do some reverse contour. For that I'm using the same foundation and will blend it out with a sponge. Baking my under eyes and the sides of my nose with a banana shade powder from NYX, bringing some warmth back using Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer in the shade Deep. Dusting off the bake from my face, and whatever powder is left on the brush, I will just run it out all over my face. Using my Mellow blush, I will blush the apples of my cheeks. Now taking this Nude eye pencil to line my lower waterline. Taking that black shade, I will define my lash line. Then I will blend it out with the magenta pink shade. Now highlighting my highest points with my Ofra in collaboration with Nykaa Tutorials in the shade Cloud 9. This has got a nice subtle pink shift to it which will complement the eye makeup. Now wiggling my Milani mascara to coat my top and bottom lashes. Setting my face again with the e.l.f. setting spray. Taking my Colourpop Ultra Matte Liquid Lipstick to fill in my lips. And it's in the shade Fragile Things.